Alright. Alright, Snack Attackers. This is what I got. I'm actually making myself some dinner right now. And what I've decided to do, I've got some leftover taco meat here. Cooking up. Some taco meat, some black beans, and some cheesy rice. Cheesy rice. Now, what we're going to do, as you see it getting hot there, I'm going to take that off heat for just a second and turn it back down. So I'm going to let that simmer over there, just to kind of stay cool. But anyway, so this is what I'm about to do. So take this and add some rice to it. Now I'm going to be a little bit selective about how much I put in it because I'm trying not to make it too much rice. Yeah, you get to see me scoop it up and all that stuff. Yeah, a little bit. Put almost the whole container in there. It's rice, baby. That's right. So, I'm going to put some of that in there. And that's going to cool a little bit because it's got cold stuff coming in. I'm going to dump some black beans in it. We'll just use the same spoon. We won't tell anybody. We'll just use the same spoon. Spilled some on the counter. Always spill shit on. I spilled some on the counter. I know you saw it earlier where I spilled some on the counter. Guess what? Do not care. It's not important. Nope. It's not important. Put that in there. Some black beans. Alright. Got all that mixed in there now. Or not all that in there now. I have to mix yet because that's not true. We're going to mix this all up together. Now, what you're actually going to do is let this simmer for a minute. Because believe it or not, the rice and the beans are probably not heated up very well yet. So, what we're going to do is let this simmer and then we're going to come back to it. I'm going to show you some more. So, hold on. I know you can't wait. Alright, at this point we've let it simmer for a couple of minutes and let it get real hot. So then we're going to do this. Hold please. Alright, at this point, boys and girls, we hold on. Okay, that's a little better. Anyway, so we now added some shredded cheese, and then what we're probably going to do with some of this is put it on a taco or something. But what I was going to say is, it's fine just like that. Anyway, I've turned it off. The heat is now off, and I'm going to mix the cheese in it. Melt the cheese. Ooh, look at this, look at this. Mix the cheese in. Alright, now I'm going to mix the cheese. Mix the cheese. Right. Cheese all melty in there while the warmer still keeps it warm and able to melt. It's going to be very, very good. Yes, it is. Look at the cheese starting. Oh, look. What the cheese doing? That is very, very good. Very good, very good. Very, very good. Yes, try putting that on like a burrito or even a taco, soft taco, or even a crunchy taco. Doesn't matter because it is a snack attack, right? So it doesn't matter. So y'all have fun with this. Enjoy. Uncle Kevin out.